How do you get from A to B? Packed public transport every day of the week? 2 wheels in the rain? Taxi of mum and dad? Search Google for a driving school in Loughborough and you'll be hit back with more than 50 schools. We're the local driving academy, and here's why you should pick us. All of our instructors live locally and have in-depth knowledge of the area. With over 10 years of experience in business, we leave thousands of happy past learners behind us. Over 85% of our learners pass first time, and we offer affordable lessons with discounts for block booking, confidence for even the most nervous learners, support for passing your theory and free theory papers, friendly, experienced male and female driving instructors, learning in a dual-controlled, learner-friendly, air-conditioned car. You're busy, so we fit around you, with lessons on every day of the week, weekends, mornings, afternoons and evenings. And you're not like other drivers. You might be a learner or a licence holder who hasn't driven for a decade, which is why we offer driving lessons tailored to you and your needs, such as hourly sessions, intensive courses, block bookings, Pass Plus, motorway lessons and refresher courses. When you choose our school for your driving lesson in Loughborough, you learn with DSA registered instructors who have more than 20 years of combined industry experience. Together, they've racked up hundreds of positive reviews like these. So forget hitting Google. Hit the road with the local driving academy today. Contact the team on the details on screen now, and we look forward to getting you through your driving test soon too. The Local Driving Academy, your local driving school in Loughborough.